Hi guys, my name is Vaibhav and I'm currently working with Infosys. So before sharing my experience with Excel, I would like to share the learning experience which I had with Ramnik sir. So previously I have completed my BTech from Punjab Engineering College in Electrical Engineering, and I have been a non-computer science student even in my school days. And I totally used to hate the coding stuff, but at the same time I had this idea that data science is one of the hottest jobs in the current market scenario. So I decided to join the data science course offered by Ramnik sir previously. And in that course, the way he taught and presented each and every concept in such a systematic manner that even without making the notes, I was able to remember each and every concept for a longer term. And it was a totally outside the world experience for me because I've never enjoyed learning experience before in my life. It was that I started to extract pleasure out of learning. And the concepts of data analysis and decision making, which most of the people find it as a complex stuff, Ramnik sir was able to make it as a piece of a cake even for a non-computer science student like me. And with the help of all this knowledge, I was able to crack and get internship into the National University of Singapore, which is a top 10 university in the world, and at Hewlett Packard. And not only just that, me and my group over there was able to get the third best project in data science. And the special part for me over there was that being as a non-computer science student, I was the team leader of the most talented computer science students from all around the world. And I think that I got that confidence only because I attended the sessions with Ramnik sir. And after having all these amazing experience with Ramnik sir, I always wanted to learn from him again. So when I heard that he's taking the Excel course, on the first day itself, without having a doubt, I just registered for this course because I knew that his courses are very popular and the seats get filled within few days. So I never wanted to miss this opportunity. And the key takeaways which I had from the Excel course were the optimization skills, thinking out of the box, logical reasoning, and decision making. And I feel that all these skills have made my resume very powerful and made me stand outside the crowd. And the justice which Ramnik sir had done while explaining all these concepts, I don't feel that anyone could have explained it much better. So at the end, I would only just say that if you really want to experience the joy of learning, the pleasure from the learning, then this is the best place you can get.